Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Essential oils can indeed be harmful to birds. Birds have highly sensitive respiratory systems, and exposure to essential oils, especially through inhalation or direct contact, can lead to serious health issues or even be fatal. Always consult a vet before using essential oils around birds.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.